Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden wall decoration designs and ideas. New designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden wall decoration designs and ideas. Stylish woodworking ideas you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy wooden projects. Those who love such type of woodworking ideas, stylish decoration ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful woodworking ideas, wooden wall decoration ideas, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives a feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden decoration ideas, wooden wall decoration ideas, home and office decor ideas. Gives a feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden decoration ideas. Visit my channel and see more collection about woodworking. You can easily make these very beautiful, stylish wooden decoration ideas if you know woodworking. Most beautiful, most trendy. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.